to experience, especially on twin turboprop parachute flights. You can play this aeroplane since 2009. Tucking the gear away, putting on the smoke. You get to see the unique shape of this aeroplane. Twin booms. Hold the elevator and tailplane. Reminiscent of the British de Havilland Vampire. These spiral climbs. You can hear the distinctive noise of the pair of Garrett's T-76 turboprops, each 1,430 shaft horsepower. If you look beneath the diminutive fuselage, you will see two sponsons sticking out either side. They were racks for bombs, rockets. They also contained machine guns. Venerable Douglas A-1 Skyraider. Now, its role, again, I keep saying aviation is full of acronyms. COIN, or FAC, COIN, counterinsurgency, striking at small groups of insurgents on the ground, often in jungle conditions. FAC, forward air control, marking targets for the fast jet bombers. Slow run, gear down, flaps and everything down. The two crew had an incredible view from the double canopy. Behind them, in a truly claustrophobic area, was a freight bay that could also take 5 paratroops. Now, you may well have noticed the German markings on this aeroplane. It's not trying to say it's a World War II veteran. It served in the late 1960s through the 1990s. West Germany's Luftwaffe as a target tug. Under the fuselage in a pod would be a winch that would deploy a drogue target, very much like the wind markers that you see, the wind socks that you see on aerodromes. And it would be wheeled out, launched out, over a mile behind the aeroplane, so that jets could shoot at it. Target tug squadrons have the same motto. We aim to please. You aim too, please. You can see at the back of that tiny fuselage a big plexiglass dome. In there, in target towing form, would be the winch operator with an incredible view, but he spent all of his time flying backwards. Down goes the gear. I think he's going to do a renowned Vietnam maneuver. Gear goes down. So this these K-Stan Fortress aeroplanes would resupply they would need to avoid Vietcong anti-aircraft work. By doing this, K-Stan approach, confuse anybody with shoulder-launched missiles and in for a short landing. Another old Buckenham debut, Tony Broom, an incredible OB-10 Bronco. Isn't that something?
Let's see them.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tony taxis in, show your appreciation.
I've got two of them, I'm not
Exceptional.
He wasn't one of those salesmen who said, here's a camera, have it. We went through about